Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the vibration intensity features between the MI10i versus the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, so this is a comparison after updating to the MIUI version to the latest version in this both the phones. So let's see, friends, what are the features and let's compare the vibration between the both the phones. So which has the better options to adjust the vibrations? You'll get to know in this complete video, friends. And just in case if you're wondering what live wallpapers I'm using right now in all these three smartphones, so make sure to check the video which I uploaded recently. In case if you missed that video, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers, so you can find that punch hole live wallpaper. So make sure to check that particular video. You'll get this kind of good looking Spider-Man punch hole camera wallpaper, as you can see, friends. So let's get started with the vibration comparison first thing. And first thing is that both phones, they're running the 12.0.7, so 12.0.7 version and MIUI version, as you can see, friends, clearly MIUI version. So 12.0.7. Let me quickly show you the display properties. So what the not the display, sound and vibration properties. Let me try to show you the vibrations, what the options we got in this POCO X3 device. We do have the vibration feedback option enable and disable, so there is no option to increase and decrease the intensity. But in the MI10i, so this is MI10i, friends, and here you do have the option of increasing and decreasing intensity. This is really good and really useful feature for a lot of users. In case if you want to decrease the intensity while typing or while using the gestures, so this kind of haptic feedback level you can clearly adjust how much ever you want, as you can see, friends. So this is a very good feature which they try to include, and this kind of haptic level adjustment is not present in the Realme X smartphones as well, so which is another good advantage for this MIUI users particularly, as you can see, friends. So there's just options only on vibrate on touch, that's it, but you cannot adjust the vibrations in this Realme phone, but you can do those things in the MI phones and a few of the Redmi phones as well. So maybe in the POCO X3 in the future they might give an update for this particular feature, but it's not guaranteed. So that is, friends, is a quick comparison. And moreover, both phones, they are having the very good feedbacks in terms of the integrated into the system. So right now when I'm trying to scroll down to the settings, when I reach to the bottom, the phone will be give a certain feedback that it has come to the end. So right now when I'm trying to scroll down to the bottom and reach to the top, every time I do that, you'll get some kind of feedback. So that's a really good thing. Even while using the clock alarm application, most of the time I do use the clock application as the example. Whenever I'm scrolling to this time, I do get very good feedback in this POCO X3 and MI10i. So both are really good, but in terms of the software features, I do like the MI10i's mobile phone feedback options which you got here. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more information, make sure to check the links in description. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.